Good afternoon, my name is Pete Rainford and you are watching Rainford's Brew Lab, and this is just the July update because we've already had the summer update, so we'll call this a July update. First off, it'd be rude to join you without a tipple of some description. This is still the 100,000 subscribers fizz, because this is still half full. Kind of. Anyway, cheers. Oh, that's good. Sorry for the lack of a champagne glass or fizz glass. Right, updates. What have we got coming up? A massive number of you have been asking for a cleaner, easier way to get hold of the brew sheets, the lab sheets that I've got on Buy Me a Coffee. So instead of hunting them down one by one and having to pay for them individually, I know it's not a big price I've put on there. But today I've officially opened the Brew Lab Insider Vault over on Buy Me a Coffee. What does this mean? So for basically the price of a pint a month, £5, you will get access to all the lab sheets that are already on there. There's over 50 of them. Plus I upload on average about 8 a month, and they will be added as each video uploads onto YouTube. So you'll get an extra 8 a month as well as the back catalogue that's on there. That's one perk. On top of that, as a member, as an insider, you will get 24-hour early access to all the videos I upload on both the Brew Lab channel and the Vineyard channel. Plus there'll be some behind the scenes videos and updates that might not air on the channels, or they may air at a later date, but you'll certainly get to see them before anyone else anyway. So if you want to unlock the vault and join the inner circle and support what we do here at the Brew Lab, the link will be at the top of the description, pinned comment, you know the drill. Thank you very much if you join me. That brings us to upcoming brews. What have we got? We've got some Pinter. Why do I always call it Pinter? We've got some Pinter 3 videos, a lager and a cider. We have got a hard raspberry soda or a cider, depending which side of the Atlantic you are from. I've got blackcurrant cider, or if you like, a hard blackcurrant soda. You can see a pattern here, yeah? We've got the 5p a litre ultra budget video, for which I am not going to tell you much about, but if you watch the channel on a regular basis, you'll know what's coming there. That should be a popular one, I hope. We've got some apricot cider. We've got a hard strawberry soda or a strawberry cider, and we've got something to do with mango. Thanks to Richard again. More on that soon, actually. I think that's the next video to upload. Vineyard, we've got some explosive growth out there. You need to see it to believe it. I will get some footage and throw it up there now so you can see it. There's probably enough grapes out there for between maybe 20 and 40 bottles when we get a harvest, which for year 2 is phenomenal. It really is. Technically I shouldn't let them crop that much, but because they're so vigorous along that north fence there, facing south of course, getting the most of the day's sun, they've gone ballistic. So I know they've got good roots, I know they can handle it, and I'm going to let them overcrop a little bit for the second year, and we'll get some red wine, we'll get some white wine, we'll get some rosé, we might get some more fizz. Somebody mentioned fizz? I nearly spilt that, thinking of my wife. Terrible. So yeah, we're going to get plenty of wine off those grapes. That pretty much brings us to the end of the update. Of course, if you're interested in those grapes and the garden vineyard out there and what I'm planning to do a few months from now, God help me, head over to the Vineyard channel. I'll link that on the end screen, probably a little round circly thing up here for the Rainford Vineyard project. Go over and have a look. If you're not interested in grapes and vineyards and wine that much, I'm going to ask you what you're doing here. But also, if you're just here for the normal brews and everything, yeah, you can ignore that stuff. But if you like it, head over in our channel. Right, that really is about it. Why did I pour all that? Well, cheers, guys. Keep hydrated. It is really warm out there. And yeah, go and go and join the vault and buy me a coffee. Cheers, guys. See you. Oh, and I completely forgot. There'll be at least another one, maybe, or at least hopefully a few sponsor videos relating to my recent What's in the Box short and post. It is brewing related, I'll give you that much, and yeah, I have high hopes. I think it's going to be some good content with some bloody good brews, I might add. So yeah, okay, I'll say goodbye again. See you guys.